nailed that one, Bakhte. You nailed the shit out of that. So this is a test from the first ball. Play free. See if you can just play free. Just to see what happens. Doesn't matter how many mistakes you make. We just want to see if you go in free. Doesn't mean cycle. There's a difference, eh?
Yeah.
So you play freely. See, that's the key, isn't it? Because a lot of the time you'll go in and we'll think we have to play measured. You don't. The measure is your ability.
Yeah.
Agreed or not?
Agreed.
That's it. Because you know you've faced me a lot, so you should be going in here looking to be able to score off the first ball. Shot. Positive play, isn't it? It's a lot more different to when you first go in, eh? Because I think you're tactically wanting to defend before, but your soul won't allow it. You're attacking, you fucking saw in the caves.
Yeah.
Then you wanted to rob a sheep. Just a bit early, hit it. See, that was half-hearted. Was it really hit, Bakhte?
No.
No, hit it. Remember, everything just hit them right now. You don't know when you're going to connect, because a few of them you've connected and you shocked yourself. That's the point I'm trying to make. Hit it, doesn't matter about the mistake. Yes! Even more if you can. I still want you to look like you're like, "Urgh." Don't let the beats make you go sleepy. Sorry to go on, but I'm trying to get you into that hole, just in case you go in and you've only got a few balls to go. Good! See, you've got your own scorings on.
Yeah.
Really good. Now hit it still, hit it. Still looks like you're worried. Better, better. Get down lower. You can hit this girl. Right idea, right idea. Now we're back to watching a picture of the ball. But hey, attention, there's something missing here. I don't know what it is. Can't be lack of trying, because you always try. Better, better. Because you tracked it longer. Shot better! Better. Now that must get the feeling flow going in it.
Yeah.
When you hit one out like close to the middle, then you're in business. See, we were trying to figure out how many balls it take you to get in business. And the next time we're still going to do the same thing. It should take you a shorter amount of balls to find that middle. Good. Just a little bit early. So same mentality. You really want to hit it, you know that. So all we're going to do is let the ball pitch. Oh, that's my bad. It's still, I've got that weirdness from using the flat side on. I forget, you know, it just came out and then, but you're alright seeing that, yeah?
Yeah.
It's not that quick at all. It floats more than anything. Keep going, keep going. You've got to get lower.
Yeah.
You've got to get lower. Next one. Keep building your rhythm. The idea is there. It still looks like you're trying to stroke it rather than whack it. Now I want to see what a whack looks like. Whack it. Come on. I've got to get through to whack it. Better! You still that, like, you're too, like, what's the word, man? You're too safe bet.
Technical.
Yeah, just hit, man. Whack it. Better! See, free in your arms now.
Yeah.
Yeah? Better. A lot better. You've got to think of it today. It's been a free-spirited day. Play free-spirited. You did it the other day, girl. Now you know what it feels like. Open your arms up. Yes, Buckley, getting your shot going. Good, better. Shot! Bloody hell, I didn't expect you to do that. The girls don't always do that, do they? Do you know what I'm saying? You found a part of you the other day that I would be looking to grow. You look at that. You're figuring out how to open your arms up. Really good. Really good. Now it's pizza power. Really good, girl. For Mario. Good, just a bit early, but the idea is right. You see the hips are coming in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bodily motion. Because you can only get so much out of your hands. That's when technical is played. Hands, it's more hands, isn't it? Yeah, you make a bodily shape, but this is more, boom! Stick your bum through it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Shot! The sound was way better. The hand speed, the hip edge, head position looked really good, like PGA Tour good. Good. Your body was about 3 games like now. It's just one of Ashley's dodgy ones. It's just a good ball. Next one. Yeah, still watch pitch and ball. You know the shot's already there now. Yeah, you don't actually have to think about it. Initially it came out by itself, didn't it? Yeah, let it come out by itself. You just let the ball pitch, okay? Next one. 2 identical deliveries.
Yeah.
So you have to get lower, Bakhte.
Yeah.
Sit down, that's it. And stay sat down. Bloody hell. That one was just slightly more in. Swinging a little. Keep playing shots. Remember, we're not worried about getting out. Yeah, you just need to see these and soon you'll hit them. Everything's still got to go. See, it still runs it at a certain level, mate. Because that's flown. Now, on the occasions, what was happening too early or too late?
Too early?
Yeah, on all of them really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Agreed? So how are you going to calm yourself down? Because you're not going to be calm after hitting a couple of good ones, are you?
No.
So now you've got to figure out, oh, you're breathing there?
Yeah.
Yeah, Care Bear now. Care Bear. Care Bear, but then red light Care Bear. So you've got to go, but soft. Because you're still going to hit. But it's, all it is now learning that the aggression's made you go early. Still be aggressive, but tell yourself, let it pitch. So that just runs, Bakhte. Because if you just tap it for one, behind you. Watch. Swinging at it.
Yeah.
We'll take that though. Because then you can still learn to beat up a swing bowler. Keep going, girl. Too early again.
Yeah.
And bend the knees.
Okay.
Too early, that's all.
Yeah.
Let's go again. Now let it pitch and still hits it. Better! You needed that to happen, to be honest, because it shows your concentration has to be directed. Agreed or not?
Agreed.
It just doesn't appear. It's something that has to be cultivated. Generally using a simple narrative. Better! You're back in the zone now, yeah? Back in the zone, back in the zone, you're picking the ball up. That's all we're doing. Trying to learn run scoring. And that's going to come at a cost of risky losing wickets, but We play T20 cricket, ain't that the whole point? Still leg boys, you know. Leg boys. Shot! You let that swing, didn't you? Well done, girl. You're sighting it again there. And a beautiful concentration lesson you have. Shot, that becomes alright. It's just a bit early, tiny bit early, so you got too high and under it instead of more of a 45-degree angle on the end. Next one. Wait longer and really give it. Don't worry about mistakes, okay? Yes, see, don't worry about mistakes. What you're trying to do, like I said, over the coming weeks is we're cultivating power. That requires you building hand speed. That doesn't turn up, does it? Like I use the word cultivate. That's what you're doing by playing these shots regularly. Yes, the sound's improving. Now head down. Yeah, remember the no-look shot? Yeah, let's try it. Oh, it's just, you okay?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Too early? Too late?
Too early?
Way too early.
Alright.
You gotta chant it in your head, girl. Like literally say it, and it will happen, girl. But you've gotta say it, I promise you. Oh, it's just actually seemed and gone the other way just a little. But you too early again. Don't fit. So let's be more direct. Your hands stay still until the ball's pitched. Let me pitch means a bit vague. And this is to do with your hands. Let's get those hands under control, but hit. Next one, go. Oh, swinging a lot today, ain't it?
Yeah.
It's alright. Play your shots, girl. I still don't think you're low enough. In a minute we're going to have a look at you on the full track because you need to see yourself, I think. So I'm saying it a lot. Oh, my knee. Let's start wider for now. Yeah, and then let's see, and then we'll do the other way after. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, let's just experiment with just because you hit one, but that was good. Decent. Yeah? I've just got a feeling when the ball's swinging in, there's not enough room for your bat, between your bat and your pad, and you're getting like falling over the ball. Sure. So I feel like it's another situation of room on the broom. I was talking to Doctor about it. Remember getting him to bat on leg, giving him, oh, not Doctor, the other guy, he's got a kid. He reads the story to his kid. It's room on the broom. See, and then you experiment with it. How much room do you need to operate? Yeah? Sure, pick up, man. Pick up. Because your bat needs freedom. Does that make sense? I don't know if it feels free. Does it feel free with more room?
Yeah.
Why I say experiment, and you've got to understand. I can only tell you that you needed room. Like it wasn't more of a technical thing. It's more like what do you put flow in that? It's tactical in it. It's not a shape. It's room on the broom. Wow, good hit pitch, good hand speed that time, yeah. If your hands don't move on me that quick. And this is what's happening, girl. Really good, yeah. Much better, yeah. Just a bit early, tad bit early, that's all, tad bit early. And see how it's got tighter, it became a bit harder. Yeah, but let's see and then make more of an adjustment. Then I'll have to fire them out off something, we're going to figure can you reach them. Does that make sense? So at the moment these are all stumps set now. Feeding your zone. Shots! That's along the floor, man. See by now, by doing this power zone stuff, even the glance is gone from a 0 to a 1 to 2. Does that make sense? Because earlier on you were doing it looks pretty, but was it worth a run?
Yeah.
Does that make sense? That's the question.
I will start with batting.
Shot better! Keep your head down. Zane, I'll go on that side because I might need a machine after, unless you're using it now.
It doesn't really matter.
No, are you?
If you're set up. Don't worry.
No, but because literally it takes 2 minutes to move over. Because when Harry comes, because I forgot my cricket balls, so like I'm gonna put him on there because it's too slow for him.
Alright, sweet.
Yeah. Come on then, Bakhte, move over.
Yeah.
So our team's called QSE. I received my top yesterday.
Brilliant.
Yeah. How was your bat yesterday?
It was nice, man. I haven't batted in ages.
Yeah, it was nice to see you pat on. I didn't think I remembered. I was
It's
like,
the last time I batted with
actually
you.
getting a bat. It's nice here.
Last time I batted.
Because you know I bat with the boys in here, ain't it?
Yeah.
So remember what we learned, was it yesterday? Slightly bigger trigger, so your feet lift up your hands.
Yeah.
Yeah, so even if you start wider, but feel big on the trigger. See what I'm saying? Yeah, your feet light up your hands, believe me, man. Yeah, when my feet are light, my hands are light. Okay. Shot better pick up because that's done you earlier. Yeah? Then those needs a bit more body. I know we've been on a big climb today, but let's do it. Never mind the knees are aching. We went to Thor's cave today.
Really?
In the Peak District. Motherfucker, the cave was big, man. Jeez.
Perfect weather for a good old bit of hiking, isn't it?
Yeah, man, and Bakhte's always up for a walk. You're doing a half marathon soon.
Really? Aki's doing the Paris Marathon, told you, innit?
How cool is that?
Legend he is.
Early or late?
And
Way too early. So don't go coasting. You feel like you're coasting?
yeah.
Yeah. Every ball intensity. So now what I want you to do is really say, come on, runs off this ball. Yeah, let the ball pitch and hit it. Come on, let it pitch and hit. Next one, girl. Should we try more room?
No.
You
But
sure?
Let's trigger.
Okay. No, but the trigger's making you light up, girl. Because your trigger, when I asked you to do a bigger trigger, you stepped into it, remember? See, look at that. You see, I'm not fuck about it, do I? Come on, man. I just make suggestion of settings. It's only like a little bit of grid reference change, really, but big difference in the sound, but the just a bit early, that's alright. Bat's coming through, that's the point, yeah, because you don't want to inhibit your bat flow. Yeah, if you stood in it, you're inhibiting the flow state.
New bat, Abdul.
Yeah.
Looking good, that bat is.
It's a very fantastic.
So feeling that. What's wrong with this here?
Oh, wow!
Season 13. Alright, so what we're going to do, just to get you back into the flow,
Yeah.
few
Pretty straight too, you know.
flows.
Like, normally you
And then
flip
we take
it
it all there,
loads.
right? We implement all the stuff that we've been doing though, yeah?
Good, better. Just a tap it out, but look at the knee bend. Yeah, buddy. Swear down, if you've got that little bit of a more emphasized trigger, it seems to get you more activated. Yeah, you can make it subtle later, you know what I mean? But at the moment, it's the function of it, not big. Good. Next one. Just a bit early. But see, even that time you look nice and low.
We're
When you
back
trigger
here.
big, you seem to stay down.
Just Then your body just slightly there. Keep your head, remember just here, tucked in. Good. So we're going through.
Swinging that little bit. Keep working, girl.
Sharp way. Nice up, look.
Visualize. Just a tad bit early. What we said is power hitting, our slightly harder hitting is going to be a bit more risky. However, the more you play it,
Sharp.
those type of shots, the risk comes down. Agree?
When you start thinking towards more
You all good?
Yeah.
Happy with this,
You're
Gordon?
really,
Sure?
truly going to be playing in the next month. Okay, so we can start thinking about where the field is normally generally are. Okay, so you're going to have a point which is probably going to be a standard point.
Shot pick up. See, it's just the more you play it, the more the consistency
That's your
builds.
point. You'll
Yes,
have,
half of them are not
and
going to
extra
be like
cover.
all that satisfaction. That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. Always said it's
Then
proficiency
you'll have
over perfection.
your
Yeah,
mid
that's
on your
perfection.
mid up there.
It's a troublesome place to
You
be.
might have extra cover, maybe. So your gap is where? Between these two.
Nice hit
So
pitch.
when you're playing that shot,
Really
I
good.
want you to automatically think, okay, your gap's there, or the last foot is there, and your gap there is there.
Alright, keep going. I'm going to try now to go offside. But see if you can keep built slightly where you were backing anyway to test how we're going to get across.
You're going to see now the way we're going to tailor it is towards you scoring. So that's on the offside. On the leg side,
Keep working.
probably
Nothing wrong with that.
square leg,
All you're doing every rep adds to your strength and conditioning, okay?
mid on.
And we know we do at least 100 odd in here. Every time.
Third man, dependent. Depends if you get it.
Shot. That's becoming more consistent.
Each time you score something
Hey,
now, I want you to
refining it so nicely to get it on the ground,
You
man.
know,
Really good.
learn nothing for. Okay?
Next one, girl. Swinging, it's fine.
Alright, let's go.
You got to get lower. I think you prepped underneath that.
Done. Four. Yeah.
Better. Because the length's a bit
Good.
like
The way you tried angling it was
in
good.
there, up there.
Feet.
ODI. Full trap.
Good.
Well left. I don't mind that. Because that side you might give you a little look at. You know, I'm bowling straight, and throwing it.
Right in front of yourself.
In a sense, part of recognising that. That was good sighting. Really good sighting.
Shot, I reckon that's over. I'll probably leave you one or two there, yeah? If we are going to play over the top, make sure we're swinging
grippy shoes.
through properly, get that power in.
I'm surprised that the shoelaces don't grip together.
No.
Shot, boy. Four again. Lovely. Okay?
Oh, is this doing
Shot, boy. Lovely. Lovely shot. Good. You see there? I don't want us to go back and play.
Okay.
So tuck in a bit.
Thank you.
Alright, when we go out onto the crease, what are we asking for? Are we asking for leg, middle, off stump? Okay, so at the moment we're standing on about leg stump. Okay, so in here we're constantly in the same position. Sometimes you're on leg, sometimes you're starting on like middle and off.
Keep working.
This is important because you see it in game. You want to know where
Good.
you're
You've got
standing.
access to the offside.
If the ball's
Now
outside
let's
off
keep
stump,
trying to refine that
kind of
one
have a
to
rough
the
gauge.
Needs a little bit more bend from the start.
I'm
It'll help.
always going to ask for middle, yeah?
That's it. Yeah, but keep going then till you nail one. Okay? I'm trying because I'm normally more of a stump bowler and on, so I'm going to try and throw it out there as much as possible because you've got your leg side going. Give it a few more and then adjust your guard. Because you might, now that you've got your leg side shots up, remember what we used to do before?
Let's go quickly.
Get you leaving the stumps open so you could play leg side. Once you was playing leg side, you ended up having an off stump guard at one point and flicked everything. So let's actually switch over to what instinctively you think for this. No, because you now got an offside bowler,
Sure.
so if you're happy there, that's fine.
Let's judge that length quicker. Okay.
Yeah, I'll still try and keep what it's
So
there.
if
Yeah,
you see it, you're in the right
it's
position.
alright for now, I'll stop it and you figure it out down there. I like the fact you're still trying to hit it, but that's the important thing. T20 cricket, you
See,
play
as soon as it's short, up,
better.
hands
Yeah.
up, down. Show me.
That one more.
Yeah.
For that line is good.
Good.
Ooh, what did that hit, Bakhte?
Didn't hit it.
No, as in like,
Once
you
the
going
front
bounce
toe
after.
To be on the line. Shut up.
I know.
The front toe, the front toe. Other leg, other foot. There.
Shot.
There.
You're picking anything on the stumps right now, and you're really good at that. Well, girl.
Shot boy. Good.
Good footwork!
You see there, Uncle?
That was excellent transiting. Yeah, really
See
good.
how
mate.
we're trying to get everything
Yeah,
there?
you fly there, did you, Bakhte?
What we need to do, for example, is this. The difference between this.
I don't mind that. You're still moving back and forth. Yeah, we bring the consistency up and the wrist level down the more we play.
Pull up. There. You're actually flicking that.
Shot not bad, just a little bit early.
There. And then anything higher.
And really put your body weight through it. Don't make more of a whack it for now. Keep working, you're going to get that. Now shadow out the shot we worked on yesterday. Horizontal back access, square drive, front foot. Yeah, but Bakhte's going to come from here.
Shot. Good.
So that's why we've got mid guard here, and then from here.
Shot.
Yeah.
Boy, lovely Abdul.
Yes. Okay. Pick up, man.
Good.
Good pick up. I'm loving it because we're just going to keep playing for that shot. And you've got to know it then, the more you play it. We could be worried about the wrist level on it right now.
What
It's a
should
run
we be
scoring
doing there,
shot.
Abdul? Where's our foot going? There. And we're crunching.
Shot.
The crunch shot's good. We play it nicely, but that's too full. That's too much at your stump. So what do we do?
Beautiful, good.
There. Alright? That's very important. I know that's your favourite shot, but we got to make sure if it's on your stumps, we're definitely not cutting off our stumps.
It's alright, we'll take that. Yeah, a bit more head down.
Good. Excellent.
The sounds
See,
of
you
this
straight
kick is
back.
so much
What's
more
going to save you in this
Yeah.
season?
Really good. Next one. You got your back horizontal that time.
Gotcha. How early did you move then?
So now when you feel that front toe, you go into the ball when it's out there.
Let the ball
Like you did earlier. You standing, didn't you? There was a footwork thing.
You then will just go.
Yes, it is, isn't it? So feel your front toe, it's got a lot of life in it. Come on, Force. Long cup. How are you? Oh, that's nice, coach. Eid Mubarak for the last few days.
Thank you.
How's the family?
They're okay.
Okay, see the difference there, Abdul? What was the difference?
Have they gone?
Yeah.
What time have they gone?
Straight
Wait
away.
till that one. You let the ball bounce, look, that's 4 runs. Compared to the other one,
Oh, I don't know.
straight up.
I just said
I
I
was
was
really staying engaged, letting the ball come to you.
You was
Hey,
your powers
okay.
Because
remember, bro,
No, it's like it's 5 o'clock the next.
we need to score runs. We're definitely going to beat your high score, 100%.
Nah, they were just chilling.
No, that's not really.
Good, good.
But
And
yeah.
if I hadn't played, so you need. Lovely that.
Sorry, the doors are open. It's okay, it's okay.
No, I didn't
Well, when
see
you
it.
guys go, just close it.
Nah, it's not good for it to be open.
That's the bouncy ball. Just pick these balls up, Abdul.
Everything else alright?
Yeah.
Lost your friend, Zane. Imagine you're a friend hiding.
That's good stuff. Pablo. You see that there? Was exactly what I expected.
Keep visualising, girl, yeah?
Our first session in about
See yourself playing that offside
4
shot.
weeks.
Yeah?
So, what we've shown you there is that you haven't lost anything, it's just there was a few mistakes that you know or you know.
Good, you've got access to it. All we do is build on that offside, yeah? Because your left side game is now very organically firing.
What are we technically on there? So we want to be there.
Shot. Better. It's just learning it, isn't it, through repetitions?
Fun.
Yeah, very good.
We're here. We're here. As soon as it's slightly back, it comes back and bang. So it's short, wide, there. So all we're doing is going from here to
Probably
there.
late on that with your footwork.
If you cut off the front foot, which is good, so you're like this. That's fine. Anything short, we're here. Bang. A lot of people in that 15 that's going to ball short to you. Not intentionally. They're just going to drop it
It's so
short.
amazing to
It's
see
not
like
going to be quick.
your own
We're
swimmers
here.
all develop.
Bang, get your foreruns. Go in with one boundary, and you'll feel that ball. Okay? You went Pakistan the other day?
Shot would be good. Really good. Making that leg side drawn, really nice. Shot.
4,78. And then you get 4 now. Should have got 100 though. Or is that, if it was the middle or the 4, that we didn't win the game.
Next one, just your foot gotta go next time, yeah?
We should have 100% won that. There's no way we should have lost. So we were playing tonight, you know that?
Wow.
3 runs could have gone.
It's along the ground. See, like, how it becomes a natural,
You're bowling as well.
doesn't it? Because I think if you don't use it enough, it seems like a risky thing. It's not. It's actually the function of a batsman. Really?
Thursday, we go.
Really good, Bakhte. I love him, miss.
I think that was it.
Shot! Shot!
When you go there,
It happened, didn't it? Brilliant, girl. Brilliant. Brilliant.
you'll get absolutely fine. Okay?
Hey, man.
When
Is
you're
it
there,
there yet?
we don't get out and we're like solid here. Then like you change so much in the first game. We just have to remember
Shot!
key fundamentals. So if you get instance,
The shot.
because sometimes you're blocking the ball and our backs the wrong way.
Wow.
Or it's a block the ball. Okay, we're block the ball. Okay.
Shot!
Yeah.
Repetitions, girl. You're the poster girl for repetitions, girl.
You want to make sure that we're going to
Really good.
bring them back down straight.
Next one. Next one.
Back down straight. Okay? Okay, now let's say the ball.
And here's the pitch you got yesterday. Is someone who's just done the same, but it just transformed that
Yeah.
We see all sorts of parrots to talk about. No parrot though, yeah.
That's all the
You know what I mean?
Remember?
At least we don't bitch, we just observe,
Just go more.
weigh up,
Just do
not judging.
And that's nothing that we how big of a good.
Staying as long as we.
We're going to work to do that.
It's alright, get down low, no, you've got to get down low, that's why you can toe your back. Otherwise you look at your back, you didn't look at your knees though, did you? Yeah, think about your knees.
What are we doing?
Bend into it. Your best shots are when you've been down.
Okay? The only ball that we get you out.
Oh! Swung in seam there, that's
Okay? We're
dirty.
going to block that.
It's as dirty and filthy as a ball gets. That'll be a full track marvel.
What they do. So we're simplifying the game. So when this next ball comes out,
Shot! They were getting through you earlier. Yeah? And you're reading that length much better.
Simple game. Okay? Good man.
Woohoo! Wow. We went to Thor's cave, and you, my friend, just took some energy out of that cave and brought it here. Good.
Boy.
Range of these shots coming along now.
Nice,
Yeah,
Abdul.
really good.
That's one there, yeah?
Variations.
That's one. There's another one.
But it's beautiful,
Okay.
mate.
Every one, you run to the bucket, alright?
Pizza before every lesson.
Yay!
Jesus.
Let's go up to last step and that's two. Let's go.
Oh, it seemed away. You were a bit early. It's fine.
Slide.
We were having a good
Slide
time
back.
too.
Go back.
Oh, it's all right. Just get that concentration face back on, eh?
Straight in. Good man. Well played. Now that is a much better defensive shot because our full back is there. Okay, good.
Hey, that's all. But nah, your full concentration wasn't there. You tell me if you saw the pitch of the ball.
Not the pitch, no.
Nah, you're gonna say some shit then. We're not like defending you in the court, man. You know what I mean? Just don't bullshit yourself, because you'll be delusional. And there's already 1.5 million people on the Birmingham waiting list for mental health. Don't join it, mate. This. Yeah, one left.
Alright.
That's the way I can tell if you leave a ball or not, innit?
So the front foot, or what do we do?
A left.
We do that one more time.
Next one, Gil. Swinging in, we're gonna get that, we're gonna get that. I hate that one coming into me. Naman does it with his sidewalk arm. Now we know it's sidewalk, isn't it?
Shot, boy. That's the one. Let's go through there.
Hey, deepen your concentration again, Gil.
Let's go.
3 balls ago, you absolutely leathered one straight.
Turn and go, mate. Turn and go.
Well, watch, it's just a good few balls. They'll happen in a match, it's like York after York. It's like, fuck off, mate. Do you know what I mean? Come on, mate. I'll buy you a fruit, shoes. Give me a half one.
Play, but I don't want us to go back out of the way. Front foot, okay? Please.
Shot! Getting these along the ground now, you've opened up your wings. Yeah, Gil. If you're making a shot your own, you can't Bible bash this shot, eh?
Shot, ball. No need
You're
to
lucky
think
there's so many beautiful left-handers to look up to.
Excellent.
Shot! Picking them up beautifully, you know.
Nice.
So
Wait
good.
for it, Abdul,
So
yeah?
good. You got lots of energy as well, really good. Considering we had a long day, Gil, yeah? Shot again! You look West Indian, man.
Shot, two. Let's
It
go.
really is.
Lovely shot. Turn and go, mate.
Good, straight on.
Like that. Good man, Abdul. Remember, whether you're playing in the first team or you're playing in the fifth team, if you're not fit, you ain't going to get anywhere. Shot one. Let's go.
Shot.
Good.
Learning a lot here, ain't ya?
Good. Good man.
Got more offside now?
That's only the one.
Just carry on.
Do you feel more confident in this game?
Hands are getting faster.
Yeah.
I'm trying a few offside, but I'll try now for at least 5-10. Go a bit more offside. There's only 20 minutes left. Next one, go.
Shot! 4 runs up. That's probably one of the better shots you've played in a while. Lovely shot. That's
Good
big,
doggy.
you know. Maybe 6. Shot, boy. Good man.
Watch. Just that little bit early. Can you break?
Yeah.
Yeah. You look fatigued. All it is, it's got back to happen.
Oh, play.
You throw your back, your man, you can throw it in.
That's what I
It's
want to
tiring
see.
work.
Excellent.
It is, isn't it? Your hands get heavy. Just take that off from your back. Yeah, just that, you need that little bit of a reset. And it costs you nothing. It's an investment into your concentration. Yeah? We always say it's not about quantity, it's quality of reps.
100%.
Leave it alone. When's Wax back, Ash?
Tomorrow, bye.
Oh, it's back tomorrow.
That's what is, you know, what's the brother's name, man?
Play.
Oh, man, Hamza. You know Hamza is main man.
Yeah.
He was going to pick him up, so because Wack didn't tell me.
What?
He never likes to say anything. He keeps everything cards close to his chest.
Leave the leave these off if you like. Have a couple of minute break. Get your breath back and we go again. All that in. We need to set some training sessions up.
I'm happy. I'm not rich this good, man.
Me, you, Wack.
The team as
Who's
well.
that other lad that comes? I think he's in the group chat as well. I always talk to him. I never know his
Oh,
Afzal.
Asfar.
Yeah, yeah.
Asfar.
He's
Brother-in-law.
name. He's been asking me so much, like, bro, we need to get
What's that
sessions.
guy doing on the roof there? Whoa.
The wonders of the factory.
That's fucking mad.
Fucking hell, man.
Madness. Fine about the flow state. That's a good idea, though.
Yeah, he's been asking me like sort some sessions out.
Shot.
Be good to get some batting practice in as well.
Oh, mate. Because I feel like I've lost muscle memory because I'm not naturally talented at trained to be half decent.
Same.
Well left, I'll take that.
I think with bowling I can, with batting no way. Batting
Bowling, I'll be my sleep, bro.
batting you need at least a couple of weeks of work.
Tuning. Right idea. Use your feet to get across, that's all. Hey, hey, mate.
Do you see roughly what we're working with now? This is what
God.
literally anything in this zone here,
Brilliant, man.
anything outside our stump, we either cut on the back foot or we cut there close to our
Oh my god, that's the biggest of the lot.
right. Anything from one body that can
Shut
cut
man.
either this away.
Keep the wobble wobbling. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Wobble, wobble. Good. Just a bit early. And potentially you could have gone a bit more horizontal at that.
Yeah.
Yeah? Pick up again. Keep that going, yeah? You really cultivate your personal scoring zone. We need to know how to score out there. You can't learn on the job out there.
Let's go.
Hey, learning here, girl. Shut.
Well played, good.
Good, buddy. Instant replay.
Alright, Abdul, on to a bit of spin now, yeah?
Looks like it's time.
Shot.
Oh, good work. You see your height. I don't think it's the size. I'm saying it's my strength. I ain't got it. Let's get the interpretation correct.
Too early, Abdul, yeah? You want to move too early. Shot. See?
You're strong.
Wait a bit longer, you can play with your shots.
What's that tell you? Well done, girl. Yeah, really good. Happy with that. Oscar, baby. You don't want to be that girl that. Yeah, everyone's nice to you, but knowing that you could have lost them a game because of
Shot, boy.
your scoring rate. 1 second, girl. Yeah. Round the wicket.
Good.
Shut. It's very natural now coming, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Really good.
Nice.
Oh, you picked that up from outside off stump, didn't you?
Shot boy, lovely.
Wrists, yeah, good wrists. Eh?
Nice stuff, Abdul.
Finish up. Job, I think good.
Excellent, Abdul. Really good, mate.
Oh, that was pretty good, man. You know when the building needs a restructure check.
Mate,
Structural
I
check
believe
for
that.
the engineer.
Against spin, you look more confident.
Go.
You feel more confident.
Oh,
That skin off the line. Bang.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Sure. And just take a step there.
All right,
Yeah.
it's just you made it look.
Watch the video.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Right.
Look at it. Next to more by the wall. He's up. That's kind of stuff, innit?
Yeah.
That's why I could easily sidearm you, be realistic, but you're gonna face stuff like this. Yeah.
What's amazing, you did not get square at all, did you?
And you're gonna come in at like what 8?
Because what you did was you just stayed, and you stayed side down, because sometimes you go,
Or at least past 10. And because last year what we just go, so we need to beat that. And I've got no doubt we're gonna beat that. That's gonna be one round, isn't it?
You're working until you get it. You've had one or two today. Through there, yeah? One's on at a time.
How was it got? Where did you do it? Was that where you come in? Was that
Just a bit early.
Yeah. Was it like family and other friends?
Just know your shot will come out organically. Now watch the pitch and play the correct shot. Better! And then add power to it. It's just that you're a little bit high, that's getting high after on supply and trying to play your shot every ball. Good access. Yeah? Don't forget before, about a month ago, you were delayed cutting. And that was your thing, wasn't it? So it's bringing it all together as the season gets here, eh? All into one, roll it all into one. Good.
How was the hotel staying?
The one in Makkah was good.
Yeah.
It's alright in Bakhte. That was okay. The one in Medina was terrible. Within 2 days I was starting to that.
Which one is that?
It was
Shot!
that's what happened.
Really good. Gone straight down. Great angle. Well, still special. A little bit early, but we'll take it.
I stayed for 2
Good.
days.
You're learning to get on top of the ball, under the ball, around the ball.
Go away from the bottom.
Which one is that?
I'll tell you that. If you need the info in it, I'll tell you that. Because the hotel was good, it was like, for 3 nights,
Good, Bucky.
it was like 1% or something.
Yeah.
It was busy. Bro, next level. I mean, I swear that
Just a little.
I couldn't do more than this. Couldn't walk more than that.
Yeah.
That's the case for about 4.5 hours.
So how was the owner? How many managed to take?
All the managers. On the first day, it took me like 7 hours.
Shot, pick up.
Walk, get it.
Going straight to the Bucky.
Walk,
Continuing the production.
Too mad. I wouldn't go again to lock up so long ago. Probably go. From the day, which is going to go to Medina. Medina was sick. Medina was like fully calm. Like,
It's more relaxed. Yeah.
bro, you feel at peace there.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's probably nice.
Shot, Bucky. Good hit pitch. Yeah, excellent twist. Shot, pick up. These pickups again, very consistent. Yeah, very good. If you're the son, I'd be worried.
Shot boy.
Good, that late cut coming back, Bucky, even though it's a bit accidental. We'll take it up. Accidental scientist, you told me penicillin, found by accident.
Shot boy, lovely.
Pass that back around, that ball.
Thank you. Ooh, Abdul.
Shot! Alright? Yes, sir.
Shot boy.
Good, I don't mind that. Still measured with it. Yeah, it's alright.
Ash, do you know the password for the toilet?
There's one behind here, but there's one downstairs cleaner.
Okay,
3210Y downstairs.
3210.
I was just sitting that one in there and it's just absolute diabolical, man.
I've been using that downstairs one, bro. Sometimes it's too bad that.
It's just rough, man. Just a bit early, just a bit early.
Shot boy,
Look
Abdul.
at the consistency, that one ball only really does not, it doesn't define anything. What it does is just allows you to see, concentrate to finish now, yeah?
Yep.
Think of 4 minutes. Really concentrate to finish.
Play.
Shot! Horizontal back. Yeah, buddy. Excellent, Gil, yeah? Achieved a lot today again. Really good.
Shot Abdul. Excellent, mate.
Shot! Love the knot. The rasta. Right, next one, Gil. That shot doesn't define the work.
Play. Excellent.
Shot, pick up. The fuller ones were getting you earlier. Now the fuller one's being sent straight.
Good turn, Abdul.
Wobble, wobble, wobble. Just got excited.
Shot.
Oh! See how long he waited there?
He's good to see.
He waited there, didn't he? Jesus,
absolutely
fucking
had to wait,
waited. Waited and waited.
Shot Abdul.
Next one, Bucky,
Lovely.
next one. Keep concentrating hard now. Sorted, Harry.
What?
Sorted.
Yeah, sorted.
Next one. Just really concentrate.
Shot boy. First time you give me a chance, yeah?
Shot. And that's where we was on that shot 2 months ago. It's mad trying to bring the whole winter together, isn't it? Because that was your go-to initially.
Yeah.
Coaching. Till 8.
Good. Bit more on.
No. I'm just doing a session.
Get your legs well, just your knees being lowered to the ground because you load them up, how about the?
Ask Helena to, or I'll do it when I come home. Alright, speak to you later.
Better. It's just weight transfer. Let your body do the work. Because you know it. You've been sending balls today.
Shot boy. Lovely Abdul.
Last two, Bucky. Good. Good hip pitch. One more, Bill. Head down, head lifted. Okay?
Play.
Keep your eyes on that prize, Gil. Finish. Nah, can't finish on that. Still not. That's where you were at the start of the lesson. I'm waiting for one. You'll ping it. What did I tell ya? You'll ping it.
Oh, played and done. Excellent,
You
mate.
walk it like you just beat somebody up and you're proud of it.
What did
You
it?
just beat the Maltese man up.
The four nets.
The full net. You're hilarious. I never thought about it that way. Oh, you're funny, fuck.
Right, mate.